Hey guys, it's Tyler with Sheetgo. Here's a quick video to get you started using our templates. So let's come to create a new workflow. We can choose here to customize our own blank workflow, but for today, we're going to use our inventory management template as an example. So we'll come here, use template. Now on this one specifically, we'll have 3 spreadsheets with 2 connections. So if we look here, we can see we'll have inventory management as our master sheet, and we have 2 input sheets for check-in and checkout. So what's happening now while we're letting it load is Google is creating a folder inside of your Google Drive, okay? So we'll check on that later. So for now, like I said before, we have our master sheet and 2 input sheets, okay? So let's open up our master sheet. All right, with all of our templates will have the first tab, instructions. Okay, so we get kind of a general idea of how to use each template. So we can see right here, we're there now in our inventory management master sheet. Okay, let's come back here to double click on check-in. And again, our first tab is with instructions to get us started. All right, and now this is where we'll actually input the data. So you replace the sample data with your own. Okay. And one more thing I want to show you is let's come over to our Google Drive. So let's say that we create a connection, we use a template, we do everything today, but tomorrow we come back to use it and we forget what it's called. We'll just come to our Google Drive and click Sheetgo Templates. All right, so now we have this folder that Sheetgo made for us containing 3 spreadsheets, 2 input sheets and 1 master sheet. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can contact us by clicking here. You can join us in the community, or you can join our office hours. So let us know if you need any help. Thanks.